Hello traders, welcome back to AM Trading Tips. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly binary trading indicators for MT4. It gives you clear buy and sell signals that anyone can follow. No confusion, no complicated setup. Stay tuned till the end because I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide and also share live trading examples, so you'll see exactly how this indicator works in real market conditions. I'll be using the MT4 platform to demonstrate the indicator signals, and I'll be placing real trades on the IQ option platform. You'll find the links in the description below if you want to check them later. Quick risk warning. Trading binary options involves financial risk, and you can lose money. This video is only for educational purposes and not financial advice. Please trade responsibly and never invest more than you can afford to lose. All right, let's get started and dive straight into the trading rules. Apply the Auto Fibonacci Levels Indicator on your chart. Focus on 0 and 100 levels. These are the key reversal zones. When the price touches or reverses from these levels and the indicator gives a buy or sell signal, that's your valid entry setup. Take a buy trade near the 0 level, support, when a buy signal appears. Take a sell trade near the 100 level, resistance, when a sell signal appears. Always enter on the next candle after the signal confirmation. Works best on 1-minute charts with 1 candle expiry. Avoid trading during high-impact news events. Best trading hours, European and New York sessions. Risk management tips. Don't trade emotionally. Stay calm and focused. Risk only 1% to 5% per trade. Never risk more than 10% of your total account. Always practice on a demo account and backtest this indicator with historical data. If you're excited to try this powerful auto indicator, grab the download link in the video description below. Now, let's jump into the live trading session and see this indicator in action. As you can see here, the price has just reached the 0 Fibonacci level, which is our main support zone on the Auto Fibonacci Levels Indicator. Exactly at that point, the indicator generated a buy signal, showing that buyers might be ready to take control after the recent drop. Since all the conditions matched perfectly, price near 0 level plus buy signal confirmation, I entered a buy trade on the next candle, according to our trading rules. This setup follows the simple logic of reversal from 0 or 100 zones with indicator confirmation. After the entry, the market showed a brief pause, forming small wicks that tested the same support area again. This kind of hesitation is common near reversal levels and often signals accumulation before the next move. Soon after, the candle started gaining upward momentum, and price began to climb above the entry line. The indicator's structure clearly respected the Fibonacci 0 level, confirming that our setup was accurate. The candle finally closed in profit, perfectly validating the reversal from the 0 zone. This trade demonstrates how reliable the Auto Fibonacci Levels Indicator can be when used with proper entry rules and timing. Here, the price has dropped down to the 0 Fibonacci level, which the Auto Fibonacci Levels Indicator marks as a strong support zone. Exactly at that point, the indicator generated a buy signal, showing that buyers might be stepping in for a reversal. Since both conditions matched, price touching the 0 level and the buy signal confirmation, a buy entry was taken on the very next candle. This setup follows our rule of trading only when the indicator confirms a reversal from key Fibonacci zones. After the entry, the market initially paused, forming a few small candles around the same support region. This brief consolidation shows buyers gathering momentum before the next push. Soon, a strong bullish candle appeared, clearly breaking above the previous short-term resistance. The move respected the Fibonacci structure beautifully. Price bounced from 0 level and continued upward, confirming that the signal was genuine. The candle closed above the entry line, ending the trade successfully in profit. Now let's wait for the next perfect trade setup. Here, the price has moved upward and touched the 100 Fibonacci level, which acts as a strong resistance zone according to our Auto Fibonacci Levels Indicator. Right at that level, the indicator generated a sell signal, suggesting that the market could start reversing from this top area. Since both confirmations aligned, price reaction at 100 level and sell signal from the indicator, a sell trade was placed on the next candle, following the exact rule of entering after signal confirmation. This setup clearly fits our trading plan of catching reversals from key Fibonacci zones using the automatic indicator. Once the trade started, The price briefly stayed near the entry line, testing the resistance one last time. You can notice how the bullish momentum started to slow down, with the next candle forming a strong rejection from the top. This was the first sign that sellers were taking control and pushing the price lower. Gradually, the candle began to drop below the mid-level area, confirming that the 100 Fibonacci level had successfully held as resistance. The move developed smoothly, with clear downward strength, showing how the indicator captured the market's turning point with precision. The candle closed nicely in our favor, completing the trade with a solid win. This reversal from the 100 Fibonacci level perfectly demonstrates how reliable the Auto Fibonacci Levels Indicator can be when combined with simple entry rules. Now let's wait for the next perfect trade setup. This trade is the last one for today's trading session, and even though it's our final setup, we've already won all previous trades successfully. Now, as we can see here, the price has reached the 100 Fibonacci level, marked by our Auto Fibonacci Levels Indicator as a strong resistance zone. Right at this level, the indicator generated a sell signal, suggesting a possible reversal from the top area. All the conditions aligned perfectly, price reacting at the 100 level and a fresh sell signal confirmation. So a sell trade was placed on the very next candle following our standard rule. It's a clean textbook setup following the same Fibonacci reversal logic we've used throughout the session. After the entry, the market initially respected the level and started moving slightly downward, showing early signs of rejection. However, within the same candle, buyers stepped in strongly and pushed the price upward again. This kind of reaction often happens when the market builds momentum before a deeper correction. The Fibonacci structure was still valid, but the timing of the reversal didn't sync with this candle. Such moments remind us that even perfect setups can face unpredictable short-term volatility. That's part of real trading. The candle eventually closed above our entry line, and this trade ended in loss. But that's completely fine. No strategy wins 100% of the time, and that's why risk management and emotional control are key to long-term success. We followed our rules perfectly, traded with discipline, and finished the session strong overall, with multiple winning setups. What truly matters is consistency, keeping calm, following your strategy, and learning from each outcome. So even with this loss, it's a successful trading day because we traded with logic, not emotion. This brings us to the end of today's session. Remember, in trading, discipline and patience always win over emotion. Stay consistent, stay focused, and wait for your next perfect setup. Thanks for watching, traders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful trading videos, and I'll see you in the next session.